Hello students and welcome to my channel SriRam Edutalks. In today's class, I am going to teach you the discriminant method of solving a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a, b, c are any real numbers. Now, this method is also known as the quadratic formula or the Sri-Dhracharya's formula. Let us see how this method goes. We first of all find the discriminant given by d equal to b square minus 4ac. That means the square of the coefficient of the x term minus 4 times the coefficient of x square term and constant term. Thereafter, the roots of this equation are given by x is equal to minus of the coefficient of x term, that is b, plus as well as minus square root of d divided by 2 times the coefficient of x square. So these are the roots. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now, the roots of the quadratic equation can be of 3 types. So let us discuss the nature of roots here. Now, this discriminant which I have found can have positive value, negative value, or it can be 0 as well. So if the value of discriminant is positive, then we will say that the roots of the given equation are both real and distinct or unequal. So the roots will be both real and distinct. In case if d comes out to be 0, then again the roots are real, but as d becomes 0, so roots will be both equal. As you can see, roots are given by minus b plus minus square root of t upon 2a. So if this part becomes 0, then both the roots are given by minus b by 2a each. Similarly, if the discriminant value comes out to be negative, then we say that simply there are no real roots. There are no real roots. Of the given equation. There are no real roots. Let us understand this by taking an example. So my first example is equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. As you can see, here a is 2, b is minus 5, C is 3. First I will find the discriminant, which is B square minus 4 into A into C, which comes out to be 1. Now 1 is greater than 0. That means I will have two real and unequal roots in this situation. So the roots are given by x is equal to minus of b, which is minus 5, plus minus square root d, which is 1, upon 2 into a. This upon solving, minus into minus plus 5, and square root of 1 is 1. So I am getting two roots as 5 plus 1 by 4 and 5 minus 1 by 4. That is 6 upon 4 and 4 upon 4, which is 3 upon 2 and 1. So these are the two real and unequal roots I have got for this equation. Let us take one more example. X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So let's find out the discriminant of this equation. So D here is given by B square minus 4 into A is 1 into C. This comes out to be minus 4, which is negative. So I will straight away say that no real roots are possible for this equation. Okay, let's take one more example in which D comes out to be equal to 0. So the example is 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. So here, first of all, D becomes B square minus 4 into A into C. Now minus square is plus, and this becomes 2 ka square into root 2 ka square, that is 2 into 4, 8, minus this also is 8. So D comes out to be 0. That means roots are real but equal. So both the roots will be same, given by x is equal to just minus b upon 2 into a. This upon solving gives me root 2 by 2, which I can rationalize and write down as 1 by root 2. So both the roots in this situation will be 1 upon root 2 each. Okay. So that is all for today's class. I hope you must have enjoyed the content of today's class. For getting more such videos in the future, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon for getting updates on more such videos in the future. Thank you.